What is up, guys? This topic get here today. What we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing Pubg no sound challenge. Oh god, it's just gonna be bloody great. It's gonna be amazing, mate. Oh yeah. So let's log into my account. A bloody game. You come on, you gotta be better than that. There we go. Oh yeah. So we're doing a no bloody sound challenge. Yeah, so you can't hear sound either. I wish you can. But in like a lot of my other videos, you can't really hear sound, which bloody sucks. So let's go to start match. Let's do this. Also, I'm putting on to my British accent as well because my old accent freaking sucks. Like, it really does suck. I promise you guys. I think it does. So yeah, it's gonna be bloody awesome, man. We're gonna bloody win this and like kill so many. I won like 3 games so far. I really want to do another Rocket Royale, cause yeah, it's bloody awesome, mate. Okay, so wait, God, did I really just do a bloody duo? Hey, dude, I can't hear you, but I can sure do talk to you, mate. Hey, dude, can you hear me? I said, can you bloody hear me, mate? Oh yeah, I can't hear you. I totally forgot about that. My earphones are not working. I'm making a video, right? Making a video on YouTube. By the way, go check it out, man. It's called Top Hat Gator, right? Like right now, you're gonna be famous, mate. You're gonna be famous to all the like 78 subscribers that I bloody have, mate. So what are we learning? How about I put a marker, right? Or you put a marker. I'm gonna learn how to bloody old village. Oh god, you already learned. Never mind. Okay, mate, I'm coming towards you. Okay. I got this on because why the crap not, mate? Hello, Cripid. Your hair seems nice today, man. Hey, it really does seem nice, mate. Like it. How you get it to be like that? I shoved mine into a bloody ponytail. Come on. Oh god. Hopefully I don't get mad over this bloody lag because screen recording. Dang. Crappiest start bloody ever. Whatever. I really don't care, mate. Let's do this. Oh god. Whatever. I play Pubg like this anyways. Woo! You gotta see that, right? See all this bloody lag? Yeah, wait a minute. I'm gonna pause the video for dang it! I can't even turn off the bloody Wi-Fi on my sister's phone. My mom has it. Man, this could have been a lot more bloody better. Now I'm getting bloody punished for all this crappy doing, right? Actually, let's go grab this and that because I feel confident I'm getting bloody airdrop today. Right. And also, guys, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And dang it, thought I say, and I'll see you in the next video. See this, guys, right? You see how much lag this bloody is? You can see my finger, like, where it's going. See how much lag there is, mate? How about I just lower my sensitivity? Think that might work. Work. 8 scope. Put that same, I guess. X-axis, Y-axis. Let's do that. And holographic. There we go. Oh wow, that did almost bloody nothing. Hey, it made me like turn really so slow. But hey bro, did you bloody get the gun? Bro, you just bloody got the bloody gun, mate. What's your bloody problem, mate? Can't believe you. I really can't believe you. Guys, you see what I have to bloody go through? Having the most crappiest bloody Wi-Fi ever. Oh god. Oh yeah. Well, why did I bloody go down? Hey, do you have like a weapon, mate? Do you? I wish I could find a shotgun. Shotguns are these bloody OP in this game. Bro, did you bloody get the bloody gun? You gotta be kidding me. How dare you, mate? How dare you get the... Open the darn door, please. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. What? Hey mate, can you like deal with whoever was bloody shit at me? I'm not hearing any sound right now. No sound challenge. Guys, in the comments, make sure to put hashtag no sound. Put hashtag lag if you want to. Not like it's not much lag for a video anymore. So used to this amount of lag from like actual Pubg. But for a video, it's great. Like, oh my god, I still got no bloody gun after 3 houses. You gotta be bloody kidding me. Come on, let's see what's over here. Oh god. Okay, then that's a bit more lag. Okay, so let's see what's over here. Oh, I just got a bloody pistol. Nice. A bit. Oh, mate. Look at that. Got a bloody AK. No. Did you just bloody steal my AK? What? What? What are you, mate? I need to go shoot you in the face. Did you just bloody steal my AK? Hey, you stay right there, right? Right? You stay right there. You stay right there. Right? Dang. Wait, okay, you stay right there. There's like a man. That's what you get. Okay, oh god. Getting shot at. Who oh, it was bloody you who shot me. Buddy. Wait a minute. Sorry, my sister's throwing a bloody fit just because she can't work the lawnmower. The bloody deuce. Yes, there's a bloody gun. You better not go where I am, mate. I shot a gun, nice. No. Yes! No! What? What? Did you just bloody steal my ammo? What? Mate, no. What? What? Why? You know, this video is gonna be named the biggest loot thief on the planet. You bloody stole my gun and my ammo? You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, shoot me with my ammo. Oh, sweet, supply drop. No, I'm getting it bloody first. You're never getting that. You are never. I declare you to not. I'm getting that, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah, oh, God, someone already got the supply drop. Someone already killed someone with that, like, the sexy sniper, babe. So, babe. Hey, teammate, I'm gonna call you, babe, right? Or is it okay that I call you sugar daddy? Either one will work. I prefer babe. How about daddy? You're my son now. You're my daddy, but son. Alright? Alright? Alright, mate. Wish I could hear you. No, you better not steal that bloody supply drop. If you do, I will shoot you with there's no bloody. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm getting the bloody supply drop, mate. Come on, where is it? Oh yes, mate, I got it. Yes. Oh yes, mate. I bloody got it. You can have that bloody rifle, but guess what? I got the sniper. Oh yeah. I have a decent gun now. Yeah, mate. That's what you get. Okay, now let's get back in the zone, cause why not? See that, guys? Oh, there's another bloody supply drop over there. Let's go to it, right? Oh, I didn't know there was restricting everything. Where is it? I swear I just seen like a little thing just fly down. I really want someone. I'm like not close range. We're both like fighting at each other because this lag's definitely gonna guarantee me dead. But I guess when I'm not lagging too much, yeah, sure, why not? Maybe I should camp near the supply drop. Maybe there'll be some victims out for me. I want to be surprised if this loot thief bloody steals all my kills. Mate? Mate, stop if you can hear me. Oh, you stopped. Now run if you can hear me. Oh, you're still not running. Okay, whatever. Whatever, I don't bloody care about you. Oh, you gotta be bloody kidding me. In a bloody red zone. Red zone, oh my gosh. Pubg, the bloody red zone is like the worst pathetic thing you could ever have. Not Pubg. Oh god, you better look out for that crap. Come on, oh god. You gotta be kidding me, mate. I'm bloody dead. From lagging this bloody red zone, right? Come on, is that a man? Is that a bloody man? Wait a minute! What? Did you bloody steal my scope, did you? No. Did you steal my bloody scope? You little bastard! You stole my scope! What you doing, mate? I hate a bloody sniper, and now all I have is this weak little pathetic crappy scope. I can't do anything with this, you little bastard. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me, mate. God. You see, you're gonna be known as the scope stealer. Steal everyone's bloody scope, mate. Watch me get like no kills but still win this game somehow. Maybe he'll come back from the dead. Come on. Anyone? Come on. Anyone want to have some fun with me? Come on, mate. Mates? Where are you, mate? Okay, let's go to vacation. And have some fun with it, right? I'm pretty kitted out. Level 3 helmets. And vest. I think that's level 3 backpack. A bloody sniper with the crappiest scope ever. Right, mate? And also a shotgun with no bloody ammo. Hey, the only good thing that's came out of him not coming to me anymore is that he is not going to be able to get any more of my bloody stuff. Little scoundrel. Well, please let there be someone here. Come on, this video is coming on too long, mate. Come on. Please let there be someone here, mate. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Anybody? Anybody? Auto run on, auto run off. Come on, let's get some aimbot here. I like aimbot, it's pretty cool. You know he freaking sucks. In this old Roblox game that I used to love, I was actually really bloody good at this game, right? It was like a mix of Call of Duty Battlefield, and I don't think there was any Halo in it. And by the way, I'll start doing my Halo things because I just got Halo 3. I was just finishing up. I kind of want to do another solo campaign. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking, should I just start it over? I do a solo campaign. I think that's what I'll do. Other than that, no. Let's go, mate. I made an awfully lot. Oh, there's someone. There's someone. Crap, I can't hear them. Oh, no. Oh, no. I can hear them. Oh, God. I can only see them on the map. Or on the trees, mate. Hey, we're on vacation. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe I survived this bloody long until you circles like this. With no kills. Literally no kills at all. But there's 2 cars exploded right there. Fell out of safe zone. No, baby. Okay, there's someone right there. Literally right there. Okay, he's right there. Oh yes, God. Oh yes. Oh yes, mate. He's right there. Come on. Go up. Okay. Come on, mate. The worst possible scope ever. Bloody sniper! How do I have a red dot with a sniper? How do you get that? He seems so far away. But no, he's not. Oh, where is he? Right there. Can I get him? Okay, wait a minute. Oh, shot him. Hey, I killed him, guys. See that? With this leg, I'm unstoppable. Dang it, you gotta play first aid kit. I don't want that. No, I actually do want a first aid kit. That's some lotion. No, I don't want a Gwen. Stop. See what I mean by sister crap? Do you think I give a crap one? Pick that. Okay. Oh, there's my 8 scope that I wanted. Okay, not too shabby. Yeah. Oh God. Let's get all of that, mate. Nice. Not too shabby. Oh God, it's pretty hard to win a game when you're recording a screen. And you're screen recording and there's just so much bloody lag. I swear, guys, it sucks. You should try it out sometime. I either need better Wi-Fi or a better phone. Better both. I don't know. Man, there's someone over. Man, I seen gunshots. Oh, is that a person? I don't think it is. Okay, let's get back in the zone. Why not? Okay, there's a helicopter right there. I love helicopters. Okay, let's go to holographic. Let's turn it up. No, don't bloody quit. No. There we go. So now this is a lot more better. Holographic up. Okay. Oh, yes. That's it. Come on. Oh, God. Oh, that was bloody close. That was too bloody close. Oh, I shot him. Come on. Come on, can I get him? Can I get him? Oh, dang. Oh, right there. Come on. Go down. Oh. Go up a bit. Oh God, someone's already like, oh, I'm dead. Well, guys, if this video, guys, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey, look at that. I'm more like the bloody camper.